Hello, IES families and students. My name is Mrs. Quinn, and I am a learning support teacher for students in 4th grade and students in 5th grade. So if you are in 4th and 5th grade, you will likely see me coming in and out of your classroom. Some of your classmates might be coming to my room, and some of you might be coming to my room. I'm here to help you. My classroom is located in the 5th and 6th grade hallway, right next door to Mrs. Luke's room. So if you're in 4th grade, it's a little bit of a trip, but I will show you the way to get up here. In my classroom, my rules are very, very simple. I have 3 of them. 1 is to be respectful. 2 is to always try your best. And 3 is to just follow directions quickly. Those have been my 3 rules for a pretty long time. This year, there's going to be a lot of different things that I have to enforce, like sitting in the same seat and wearing your mask and washing your hands, and all the things that you will be required to do in other classrooms, as well as anywhere in this school building. So we will have to work together to make sure that we are following all of our building rules. I look forward to seeing you all super soon. Bye-bye.